Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Birjees and I just wanted to remind you that I've posted a video showing you how I painted this stunning waterfall. It was done with the Hake brush. There's no picture reference, it's a mixture of many pictures, but it was done using a mixture of paints from various brands, including the Pelican range, Stadler range and the De La Rowney range. So do have a look at that video. Now, one thing that did happen in the middle, my gosh, it was terrible, I think. For some reason, I was holding a tube of paint right while I was fiddling around with the paper, and a blob of it spilled right here. And you can see that there, whole giant blob. It covered almost, I would say, 1 inch across, and it's hard to sort of hide it. I did try, but I couldn't. So that was a bit of an accident that I had. And I was sort of in panic stations, really, because I needed to get that paint off as soon as possible. And when I took it off, I didn't know where to put it, because I usually have my palette, which is a tray for the Hake brush. This is Prussian blue, and I didn't want to put Prussian blue into my palette because Prussian blue isn't really my usual color that I use in my paintings. But I had nowhere else to put it. So in a hurry, I scooped it up with my scraping card and just dumped it in that palette. And when I got home, I had to quickly find a way of finding a container in which I could put the paint, because I couldn't put it back in the tube, obviously. And I didn't have any pans either. But I did manage to find something, and I've put it away, and now it's sort of hardened, so I can use it in the future. So that was a bit of a sort of a panic station there. But yeah, this was done with sort of a loose watercolor for the actual waterfall itself. And what I did was, you'll see in the video, I had this wet, but not fully wet, with a teensy weensy bit of color, a hint of color, and all I did was sort of gently downward strokes like this, and I wetted the area here, and then started putting the colors in through that. So yeah, have a look at that video. And do let me know what you think in the comment section. It was, aside from the paint accident, it was quite fun to do. So yeah, have a look and let me know what you think in the comment section. Do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And if you have, I really appreciate your support. And I do hope that you continue supporting my channel by watching it and leaving any comments that you like. Comments and likes always help with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you very much for watching this reminder, and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you.